Good day, everyone. Welcome to Camglish.com. I'm Teacher Angel, and join me as we answer another set of grammar exercises only here in the book Essential Grammar in Use, 3rd edition by Raymond Murphy. Hello, students. I'm happy to see you today. Well, this is going to be the next part of our video under Unit 46. And please try to search the first part of this video. Okay? Now, in this task 46.3, we have to write questions beginning with which. If you remember, when we discussed Unit 46, which is used as a relative pronoun to give more information about the person or thing that it refers to, right? And we also studied that in making sentences starting with relative pronouns like which, who, where, what, okay, that we have to put our preposition at the end of our every sentence. That's it. Pronouns are prepositions like in, for, from, at, okay? That's when we make question. Now, let's try to study and read the first example. Situation is, Tom's father is in hospital. For you to know where is that hospital, you should ask, or which is that hospital he was confined, or he is confined, we can say, which hospital is he in? Next, you have to answer numbers 2 to 4 on your own. You can pause this video for it's up to you until you're done answering. Then play it again when you're ready to check your answers, okay? Well, good. Oh, I think you're ready to check your answers now. Let's have number 2. We stayed at a hotel. Your question should be, which hotel did you stay at? If you notice, I put which in the beginning of the sentence, and also I put at, preposition at the end of our sentence, right? After that, a question mark. Next situation. Jack plays for a football team. We want to know what team does he play for, right? We can ask, which team does he play for? Next one. I went to school in this town. Our question should be, which school did you go to? Okay, so that's the right questions. Now let's move on and answer number 46.4. You want some information about another country. You ask somebody, who has there? Ask questions with what is or what are. What is it like or what are they like? It depends on the number of your subject, okay? If you want to talk about the roads in different country, this is the question that you have to ask. What are the roads like? So your sentence should be like in this pattern, okay? Now I want you to do numbers 2 to 4. That's very easy. And do your best, okay? Pause this video now. Let's answer the following numbers now. What is the food like? We're talking about food, right? That's what you're gonna say if you want to know about their food, okay? How does it taste and all that. Next about people. You can ask, what are the people like? If you want to know about the attitude of the people in that country. Okay, the dominant attitude of the people in that country. Next, about the weather, you can ask this question. What is the weather like? Okay, if it is always cold or always hot, or is it always raining there? That's the question you have to ask. Okay? Now let's do activity 46.5. Ask questions with what was or what were. What was it like? Okay, something like that. Now, I'll give you an example in number 1. Your friend has just come back from holiday. Ask about the weather. What was the weather like? You have to make sentence your answer according to the prompting at the end of every number. Okay? Direction. Alright? Now, you can do numbers 2 to 4 on your own and pause this video for a while so you can concentrate. Then check your answers later. Okay? Okay, guys. This is the last task and I hope you'll have a good score here. Okay? Our situation in number 2 is this. Your friend has just come back from the cinema and you have to ask about the film that your friend watched, okay? You can ask this question. What was the film like? Your question should also be in the past form because the action took place in the past. Okay? Next, number 3. Your friend has just finished an English course. Ask about the lessons. You can ask this. What were the lessons like? Or what were the lessons like? Okay? We use were because our subject here is more than one. We have here lessons. Okay? Next one, number 4. Your friend has just come back from holiday. Ask about the hotel. Okay? You can ask this question. What was the hotel like? For you to know certain information about the hotel before you come there and for you to know if it's better to stay there, okay? Alright guys, well I think that will be all for today's lesson. I do invite you to watch next video and we're gonna have another topic in unit 47. We're gonna make questions with what, which, and how. See you next time. I hope this video helped you in your grammar improvement. Thank you for watching. I'm Teacher Angel and goodbye.